Today we will show you how to pair the presentation remote mouse kit and explain the state changes of the indicator during the pairing process. You can see that both the mouse and the presentation remote have corresponding receivers. We need to pair the mouse and the presentation remote to the same receiver to enable their interactive use. Before pairing the mouse and the presentation remote with the receiver, make sure to turn off the presentation remote and plug its receiver into your computer. Turn on the mouse power switch. You can see that the blue light inside the mouse is flashing slowly. Press the function switch key, screenshot key of the mouse at the same time. When the mouse is paired, the blue light inside the mouse will flash rapidly. The receiver needs to be unplugged immediately. After successful pairing, the blue light will flash slowly, then you can use it directly. Turn off the mouse before pairing the receiver, presentation, remote and mouse, and plug the receiver into the computer. At the same time, press the down button, function switch button, of the presentation remote for 3 seconds. When the presentation remote is paired, the yellow light flashes rapidly, and you need to unplug the receiver. When the pairing is successful, the yellow indicator flashes slowly, and then we can use it directly. After the receiver is successfully paired with the mouse and presentation remote, only one transmitter is allowed to work at the same time.